So to get the mats in, you have to just push this. There is a space inside. It doesn't feel like it, but we have designed it and checked it that it sits perfectly. So just push it in, okay? And then we will adjust this thing, okay? So then just give up on these mats like so. Just have to get this in, okay? And this area we recommend you make these go under the sliders so that it doesn't affect your functionality at all, okay? You can also add a clip to secure it down, but so once that is done, you have to add some clips here, otherwise it will be raised, okay? Okay, just a little second. So we recommend adding 3 clips. You call them? Yeah, I'm just doing it with my left hand. So bear with me. Okay, let me just loosen these up. Okay, so yeah, this goes in. And you call it? First one here. दिया था आपको, एक निकाल के दे दो तो मैं वीडियो बनाऊँ। आगे बढ़ो। See, add one more here. दो क्लिप दो।